How much are you paying for AI tools per user? $30? $50? $100 a month? And how many people on your team don't have access because it's too expensive? Here's what smart business owners are doing. Instead of paying others hundreds of dollars a month for per user AI access, you can have your own AI software for $49.95 a month, unlimited users, your team, your branding, your domain. All the major AI providers in one place. You're probably paying for multiple AI subscriptions right now. ChatGPT here, Jasper there, Midjourney over here. Total cost could be $1,000 a month or more. But with your own platform, it's just $49.95 for the software. You connect your own AI APIs and only pay for the actual AI data you use, which is minimal compared to the per-user fees on other AI apps. Your entire team gets access. No limits. No per-user charges. No more sorry you don't have access conversations. Try the demo. See it for yourself. Then get your own custom-branded AI software set up this week. Your competitors already have their entire team using AI. Don't get left behind. Click below to get started.